Google Ads MCC, previously known as My Client Center, is actually Google Ads My Client Center, which is primarily being used to manage multiple accounts, multiple Google Ads account. In case if you are running your own multiple accounts, or if you are managing someone else multiple accounts, or in case if you have multiple clients or multiple people accounts which you have to manage in Google Ads. Google Ads MCC is one of the best tool to do that, and let me show you how you can run it and use it for your own purpose. So you have to search on Google regarding Google Ads MCC, and then there will be a link like this, and once you open it, it will be shown like this, where they will tell you that you can manage multiple accounts through that, do multiple changes, even bulk changes. You can even grant access or control to someone. You can monitor performance of accounts, even can manage billing, and have a lot of functions, features for people to manage it. And once you click on this link, create a manager account, it's a free process. And if you have a Google Gmail account, you can use it, and here you will be transformed to, like, you have to manage other people account, you manage your own account, you have to select your billing, time zone, country for that. Now because I am managing clients, so I can show you one of my MCC to let you know how does it look like. Okay, so once you are able to log in, you can see over here, this is a general overview of MCC, and it will tell the bulk of clicks, impressions, CPC cost over here, and then that is an account wise report on how individual accounts are performing. This is an optimization score for accounts, for different accounts, on what percentage your account optimization is. This is the campaign levels, amount of campaign spent. You can do measure conversion action over here. You can see general impression of devices over here, from which devices you are getting most clicks or most impressions. On the left side, you can see that there is a recommendation sector which combines all of the accounts recommendations, and you can individually see on which recommendation is going to be applied on which account. And then I will move on to the account section as well, and then I will show you the campaigns as well. So you can see okay, so here you can see that they are showing general recommendations for different accounts, and how much percentage account optimization score can be improved by doing these things. So you can see over here. Now if I move to the accounts performance sector, I can see my accounts and see I have selected a specific account name which I can remove it from here, and then it will show all of my accounts over here. Let it log in, let it be. I can select all of my accounts. Like in case I want to see just active accounts, I can select here. I can select hidden account, cancel account. So you can see that all of my accounts are being shown over here, and the accounts which have a red mark, it means that they are no longer active. Okay, and now here I can see my campaigns over here. So you can see over here, and in case I want to see my change history of I can, in case if you are a Google partner, you can also be check on the Google partner program. You can access it from here as well. Okay, I can even manage someone else's accounts, and I just have to click on the account, and I will be moved on to someone's account, and the process is very easy. Okay, I just clicked on it, and I am now into someone's account, and I can manage campaigns, client ads, products, or whatever I want to manage. I can manage over here, because now this is not my account but my client account. Okay, and this is the change history of how much changes are being done, have been done, or so you can see 742 changes, or recent changes, who did change, me or my staff or who else did, I can be notified over here. And this is the Google partner program, and you can also see over here that the badge of company is right now we are having this badge. So you can see that one of our MCC account is at risk, and we have a grace period till 20th October to re-verify it. It also shows that we have 4 certified people in our team, and also show the company details over here. So that is a very good combination. That's very good. So this is just a tutorial of Google Ads MCC. I hope you like it, and thank you. Bye bye.